In this video, I will show you how to comment blank on Instagram. Okay, in order to do it, open any browser on your phone. I'm going with Brave. You can choose your preferred browser. Now here, type on the search bar copy 0 with space. Now go on the first website, 0 with space. Click on it and click on copy it to my clipboard. Now open Instagram. Go on your desired post where you want to comment blank. Open comment section and paste the with space code here. As you can see, I have commented blank. The result is in front of you. So that's how you can comment blank on Instagram. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.